Now remember, no other homemade system even comes close to giving you all the benefits of the DIY system. They only support a single toilet, and most fail within a few months, if not sooner. No other homemade system is as durable as the DIY septic system, and you won't find plans as complete as the DIY septic system anywhere else on other websites, books, or online videos. This information is only available right here. Now you can try to guess your way through the work and build some other type of homemade system that will probably fail, or you can build the DIY septic system and have a durable system that you can always count on. Also, you have nothing to lose. Remember, if you're not satisfied after going over the plans, all you have to do is let us know within 30 days and we'll refund your money. But this refund offer is only good if you order the DIY septic system plans right now, today. This system has been in use for over 30 years and all of the planning and design has been done for you. All you have to do is follow the steps, and you can build your own durable, low-cost septic system in just a matter of days. And remember, you have 100% full support. All you have to do is send us a message, and we'll help you with anything you could possibly need. Click the button below to order the plans, and in just a few days, you can have your own DIY septic system installed wherever you need it.